This is called Pistol Slicker. It's a concealed carry pistol holster for the chest, and this is shown in our Vanish Tan series camo. How you use it, basically you can pull down on the cover and it's retained on the bottom, exposing the gun. This will allow you to pull the weapon quickly and safely. This leather piece can adjust to left or right hand orientation or just straight like this. If you have a 44 Magnum, it'll fit it as long as the barrel is not 2 inches or longer. Maximum length is 2 inches. And it's quick and easy, waterproof fabric. The harness is included. As you can see from the back, it allows you to use a bino harness style format, but it's an excellent product. This will transition to the leg. It's the only one on the market like it.